Automating apt-get. I had a student post a question to me from one of my other classes. Why do I need a lecture on this? Doesn't Ubuntu server handle this already by default? The student was referring to unintended upgrades, a package, a feature turned on by default by Ubuntu server, but not the Ubuntu desktop. For those of you familiar, the package automatically installs critical security updates for the user. It was actually a good question, and the simple answer is no. The long answer is unintended upgrades only handles easy critical security updates, not general upgrades or upgrades that could be easily automated by unintended upgrades. For example, a package upgrade that prompts you to replace a configuration file that you always say yes to. Another example would be certain kernel upgrades or certain packages related to the kernel that is handled by apt-get this upgrade. Also, unintended upgrades does not restart the server to install said updates. You can verify this by leaving the server on, and it will not update everything. Now let's talk about automating Ubuntu, or in this case, Debian's tools, which Ubuntu is built off of. apt-get sometimes asks permission for little things such as overwriting a configuration file or asking to install a package. The default answer is good enough for these little questions. Later in the course, you'll find out about templates that can override configuration file changes. When you get up to thousands of servers, you definitely just want the default answer. Since we want the default answer, we have to tell apt-get through its non-interactive mode to force the yes answer. This doesn't work with all packages, such as when you install MySQL and it requests a password during the package installation. The next lab will be covering apt-get.